This tutorial takes this many seconds. A subscriber asked if there was a free way to send US dollars to a bank in the Philippines. Viewers should verify the information independently. To send dollars for free, you must have access to a dollar bank account in the Philippines. If you are a permanent resident, you can open a bank account. Alternatively, the dollar account can belong to a friend of yours or maybe a landlord who wants to be paid in dollars. In the United States, you should open a Fidelity brokerage account. Such an account has no minimum balance and charges no fees for wire transfers. If you live in another country, do your research as Fidelity is available internationally. To send a US dollar wire, call Fidelity between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. EST, aka Eastern Standard Time. The agents will send the wire for you. You can also send using these tedious steps. Each Philippine bank has different fees for incoming dollar transfers, also called SWIFT transfers. Remember, if you send more than $10,000, you're going to fill out a lot of paperwork in the United States. Viewers should research each bank's minimum balance and requirements, such as are dollars free to withdraw. You may need to contact the bank in advance to have that number of dollars available to you. Please pick up the money from a safe location.